Hi guys, I want to share something with you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Mehdi Abbas Nathani and I hope you're all doing well. Today, I'm here to give a quick recap of our latest session where we continued our journey into Next.js development and we explored some powerful concepts that are game changers for modern web development. In this class, we dove into file-based routing in Next.js. We talked about how TSX stands for TypeScript with XML, which allows us to seamlessly integrate HTML within our TypeScript files. This concept is key for dynamic page creation, and we saw just how smooth it makes the process of managing different routes in an application. We also explored how the folder structure in Next.js plays a pivotal role in navigation, ensuring we maintain clarity and ease in the user experience. Instead of manually updating URLs, you just need to follow the folder hierarchy for an efficient and streamlined routing process. Another essential takeaway was addressing the common issue of loading on navigation, often using traditional anchor tags, ahref. The browser sends a new request to the server each time, causing a delay. But in Next.js, we optimize this by using the link component, ensuring that the server only needs to respond once, significantly speeding up the process. We also tackled the subject of reusability in code, which is a critical best practice for scalable applications. By creating navigation components, we eliminate code repetition and make our applications more modular. This allows us to reuse the same component across multiple pages with ease. In addition, we discussed the difference between default imports and named imports, and why keeping our code base consistent with capitalized component and page names is essential for professionalism and readability. A key distinction we explored was between TypeScript functions and Next.js components. While functions return specific data types, components allow us to return HTML elements directly. This is what makes Next.js such a versatile framework for full-stack development. Finally, the big question. Why use Next.js at all when we can build with just HTML, CSS, and TypeScript? The answer lies in client-side and server-side rendering. Next.js combines both, giving us the best of both worlds, enhanced speed, better performance, and ultimately, a superior user experience. Before I wrap up, I'd like to give a special shout-out to our teachers, Sir Mubashir Ali and Sir Naeem, who have been guiding us through this journey. This initiative, led by the Governor House under the Governor's Initiative for Gen AI, has been a fantastic opportunity for all of us. Thank you for tuning in. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next session. Assalamu alaikum and take care.